How to add money into your WeLab Bank account? Just follow these simple steps. Method 1. Using the faster payment system. After logging into your WeLab Bank account, tap Settings on My Account page. Then select FPS Settings. On FPS Settings page, choose your preferred transfer method. Once completed, you can send money to your WeLab Bank account via other mobile banking apps or e-banking. Method 2. Using linked accounts. After logging into your WeLab Bank account, click Add Money and select another bank account to link. Then enter the bank account number and daily transfer limit. Once you confirm the details, an authorization request will be sent to your selected bank. Once linked, simply tap on Add Money, enter your preferred amount, and money will be transferred from the linked account to your WeLab Bank account. Adding money with ease with just a couple of clicks. Download now. Open up to a new world of banking.